Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing some of the amazing new items you can choose for your fall box. This is all about customization 3. But before we get started, make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I have a code to help you save some money on your box. Let's get started. Okay, so first up we have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color and Unbutton. I was super excited about this product. I was super excited that Fenty was coming back to the box. I already have one lip gloss and one mascara from them, and I love both of them. So just adding to my collection. This one is a weightless longwear liquid lipstick. It has a soft matte finish. It has great pigmentation as well, so it doesn't smudge. It's the perfect color. It works for all skin tones, and it also works for all occasions. You can use it to spruce up your work outfit, but you can also use it for a night out. What's really cool about this product too is that the brush is a 2-in-1. You can define your lips with the precision wand facing upright like this, and then you fill your lips in with the precision wand facing downward like this. So you can't go wrong. You're always gonna have the perfect lips with this one. Next up are the Lele Sadoughi Brooklyn sunglasses. These I'm really excited about because they have a classic shape, but they also have a tortoise print. So they're good if you're more of a classic gal, if you're more of a fun gal. They work for both styles. They complement all fall colors in your wardrobe, so they're perfect for this season. And they also come with a soft pouch for easy storage. Lele Sadoughi is also a FabFitFun member loved brand, so I'm really excited about these ones as well. Next up, we have the Necessaire Eucalyptus Body Wash. This has a really delicious fresh eucalyptus scent, and it lathers with a rich foam, so it's really exciting. The scent is amazing. This is gonna make my everyday shower feel like a spa moment. Next up, we have the Understated Leather and Free People Carry-On Packing Cubes, and this comes in a pack of 2. I personally am terrible at packing. I always do it last minute. I always don't know what I'm bringing, and so my luggage always looks like a mess. So I'm really excited about these. They're gonna make my travels aesthetically pleasing and also way easier for me to organize. Everything that I need, I can put them in different categories. These are great for styling your outfits ahead of time as well. And of course, Free People is a great brand, so I'm very excited about having these in the box. Next up, we have the Harper hat from ASN Hats. This is a super cute felt floppy hat. It is super lightweight, it has a very comfortable fit. I feel like this is the perfect color to match with all of your fall outfits. This hat is packable with an adjustable string inside the brim. It's a one size fits most, and it's perfect for a picnic in the park, a hike, any fall activities, and it's gonna match with all of your everyday outfits. The next product I have are the Luv AJ Carmella Hoop earrings. These are super dainty, super cute. They're 100% brass, and they're perfect to pair with your favorite tee, with jeans and boots for the perfect fall look. They are gonna match with every outfit. They're gonna elevate every look. They are also an LA-based jewelry brand. As you guys can see, I have a lot of ear piercings, and I only ever wear the color gold, so these are perfect for me. I'm very excited to add them, and they're small, so they're perfect for stacking. Next, we have the SugarBear Deep Sleep Gummy Vitamins. These are formulated with melatonin and their proprietary Rest Well blend to help you sleep. And you simply have to take 2 before bed. It tastes great, so if you're not into taking pills, they're a good alternative. We all know that rest is super important. We all need our beauty sleep. These will be perfect for you. The Restore Repair Mask. This is a replenishing deep conditioner mask. It is made to repair dry, damaged hair, and it adds softness, shine, and smoothness to your hair. It also guards your strands from future damage, so this is perfect for preventative care as well. And it restores hair's moisture levels. And the instructions for this are: after shampooing, you're gonna apply generously from roots to ends, then leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse. And you can use it for 1 to 2 times per week or as needed as a conditioner replacement. These next 2 living proof products are both hot finds. They're both limited quantities, so you're gonna wanna get in there right when customization opens to get your hands on them. Of course, we have some really great stuff if you don't get them, but if you want these, make sure to set your alarm clock and get there as soon as possible. The first one is the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, which is this one. It is a conditioning detangler that smooths and strengthens dry, damaged hair, and it also protects against heat tools and UV rays. And this delivers an instant boost of hydration. And to use this, you're just gonna shake well, and then on clean, damp hair, you're gonna spray from roots to ends, focusing on tangled areas. And then comb through as usual, and then style as usual. This is super quick and easy to incorporate into your hair care routine. And the third living proof product that we have is the Vanishing oil. This is a fast absorbing oil that vanishes right into your hair. It blocks humidity and delivers hydration, and it provides frizz protection, which I really need. As you guys can see, I have curly hair. It can get frizzy at times. So I always want to take all of the moisture that I can get, and this is perfect. To use this, you're just gonna start with a small amount of oil, work through your damp or dry section hair, and repeat as needed. For a full look at all of the items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your fall box. And that code I promised you guys at the beginning is customized, so make sure to use that to get some money off your first box. Let me know what you're picking in the comments down below, and I'll see you next season. Bye!